Hi everyone, you are tuned into Tech2, the one-stop shop to get your dose of the latest and greatest products in tech. Like always, we would be taking you through some amazing smart tech products and share all their details to help stay up to date and make a smart choice. Today we'll take you through the MI LED TV and share its best and most unique features. So let's get on with it. This is the first look. The 50 inches LED display surrounded by sleek metal bezels is a treat for the eyes. With a weight of 10 kgs and 7.1 centimeter thickness, the TV looks really sturdy and attractive. It measures 112.4 by 65.6 by 7.1 centimeters. That adds to its durability and offers a wide and immersive viewing experience. It was launched in sleek and stylish black color. Now the specifications. The 50-inch 4K Ultra HD TV has a resolution of 13840 into 2160 pixels, making the picture quality absolutely clear and natural. You can enjoy a theater-like experience from the comfort of your home with this smart TV. It runs on the latest Android TV 9.0 with multiple hassle-free ports, 3 HDMI, 2 USB and SPDIF. There is both dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2 built-in for seamless connectivity across various devices, and Patchwall 3.0 with a massive content catalog for a superior unlimited entertainment. Performance. It is equipped with the latest Amlogic Cortex A53 processor with 64-bit power-efficient data processing for a smooth performance. Comes with 2 GB of RAM and 8 GB of internal storage. With the exciting built-in 20-watt speakers with Dolby Audio and DTS HD decoders, you are in for a superior quality music experience. The smart TV only sports the menu keys, as everything can be easily controlled from the remote itself, making it so much more convenient. Reason to buy. As you've seen so far, the TV provides exquisite vibrancy and clear visuals along with a truly immersive experience. So if you in the market looking to buy a smart TV that has all the premium features and is literally at the price of a smartphone, then nothing should stop you from looking at this amazing product. Well, hope you loved the product and are encouraged to upgrade your home entertainment collection. We shall see you again with the best in tech very soon.